Welcome to today's episode.
We took a long way on our shoulders to reach Ampana. Unfortunately, we've got stuck in the middle of the night in an earth slide with falling trees. It was really dangerous, but we made it. So, we take you through our adventure to the Togean Islands, a real paradise in North Sulawesi. So hit the subscribe button and follow us on our adventure.
So, hello. So currently there's a road blockage because fallen trees, and now from our first driver we are walking now to our second driver. So here's a fallen tree. Oh. And now we need to step over this. So this is the road blockage due to the fallen tree, and we need now to walk to our other driver, but this is also not so easy, only if it is only a tree, but okay. So now we need to get through this small flood. So here's the second tree and the third tree, and oh my god, heavy things here, heavy things. They already cut a little bit. Wow, it just fell down from there. Oh my god. So we just walked through all the mud back there. Unbelievable. Until the knees, the mud.
We managed to cross the last obstacle and went for a 3-kilometer hike on this lonely mountain road in full darkness and full consciousness that another tree could fall at us. We were trying to find our second driver. Unfortunately, we have already passed each other without even noticing it. An Indonesian family on the scooter noticed that we are kinda lost, so they took us with their scooter to the city Poso. Indonesian people are so helpful. We started our tour from Rantepao with our first driver towards Poso, which should take 12 hours. In Poso, we should switch to our second driver, and from there driving to Ampana for 4 hours. So we took a 16-hour car drive on our shoulders with only 2 short stops. Unfortunately, the landslide happened between Tentena and Poso, which brought us a delay of 3 hours and lots of dangerous action. Luckily, we made it. We are now fully ready to go to the Togean Islands. Lots of beautiful footage will follow, trust me.
So we are now in the harbor of Ampana, and then we are going to the Togean Islands.
So this is Owen, our tour guide for the Togean Islands.
Maluku punya Indonesia.
Satu berapa? Ini pogi-pogi. Hah?
5.000.
We try to bargain. Like Dutch people.
Oh man.
I know the language. Keke di kopen. In Dutch language.
And can we have also garlic?
Paku. Oh yes.
Yes, garlic.
Favorite di bubur. Hitam lagi. Oh tukang masak ini. Cooking ya.
A lot of garlic we like.
Oh, I like a lot of
Yes.
garlic. Okay.
Tastes so good.
Oh, you Chinese family?
And
Japan, huh? Oh, okay, low
A
garlic.
little bit Japanese.
Oh, I
Yeah.
know. More garlic. 2 kilo garlic. Then in Indonesia, people eat a lot of garlic.
It's very healthy. Healthy.
For the
Good.
body.
Very good for the body.
Paku 3.
Paku lagi.
This paski. This vegetable. The only in Togean.
Oh,
This is very, very nice.
wow.
It's,
Wow.
it's fresh.
Wow.
It's well grown. They doesn't plant it. They grow by themselves.
Wow.
Oh.
We call it paku.
Paku?
Paku it means maize. Paskis.
Bukan paku.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah, I know. It's only here.
What we eat?
We don't go for snorkeling, Owen. We go for eat.
Yes. Owen is not. So?
Yeah.
Owen is now afraid that we getting hungry.
It looks like don't taco in Pimagode.
And tempe, tahu.
Tempe. Kalau tahu ada tempe tidak?
Tempe dia ada tahu. Jagain orang terbawa belanja. Macam untung ini Eda ini.
Tahu berapa?
Tahu 5.400.
Kita pakai diskon ya,
Baru.
diskon.
Berapa persen?
Hah?
1.000 saja satu.
Tapi
Dia
udah
5.400.
Harus ada diskon.
berapa ini? 1.001.
Because we buy more,
Yes.
the lady give a good price.
Yes.
Ah.
Very good.
Very good. Because sometimes
tempe is this,
tourists, they give full price.
Tempe.
Not tourists, local.
Tempe?
Ya.
9, 10. Yes. The food here is expensive because it's took from some other islands.
okay.
Apa ini?
Si Mangka tadi
Melon.
ini.
Hah?
Umar
Umar ketinggalan.
So we are actually here at the market to buy vegetables for our trip, and Owen, our guide, he really bought a lot of vegetables for us so that we are not starving.
Lani di mana?
And he got even a discount because he bought so much. Yes. Wow. Terima kasih. So look at all the food, all these vegetables.
Hello.
So now we buy this kind of jackfruit. It's like a very special kind of jackfruit. So it's like the same category, but it's especially from Sulawesi, and even like from here, from the region. This is tahu.
Yeah. Tidak. Ini Pak belanja ini.
Punya pemakanan.
So this is the harbor at Togean Islands. Hello. So, and this is our boat. We're going on for a 1 hour ride on the boat to our resort.
Halo.
So, here we are at our guest house in the Togean Islands. Look at this. Very, very nice. Oh, this looks good. Nice. And Lisa's already with the cats, with the cat gang. Togean Islands. In the next episode, we will show you our beautiful resort on the Togean Islands and all the activities we have done. So stay tuned for the next episode. And of course, feel free to share our fabulous world adventure with others. Thank you for the support.